YurClip Head of Wall Deflection Clip by ClarkDietrich. YurClip is a patented metal clip used in head of wall conditions for interior, non-load-bearing walls. It requires no mechanical fasteners. The YurClip is used in combination with deep leg deflection track and provides a vertical deflection connection. The YurClip saves valuable labor time. It does not require screws in the stud or bridging. Stud location indicators allow for easy alignment of framing members. Once clips are pressed into place, they are adjustable for layout errors or changes. Clips or studs can be installed on deflection track either way. The YurClip can also be installed on the bottom track to eliminate screws and help with layout spacing. Studs can also be squeezed and snapped into the clips by installing them from the side as shown. Please visit ClarkDietrich.com for more information and product submittals.